Welcome to today's deep dive walk around and review of arguably one of the most nostalgic yet modern vans, the 2025 VW Kombi, or more precisely, the T7 Transporter Kombi. Imagine an icon reborn, blending the spirit of the classic Kombi with contemporary engineering and functionality. As we walk through every angle, from exterior design to the cabin, performance, pricing, and what this van really means in 2025, you're in for a detailed, cinematic ride. When you first see the Kombi from the front, there's a strong family resemblance to past VW Transporters, but with a sharper, more modern twist. The headlights are full LED with a crisp, clean signature, giving it a confident gaze. The grille has been widened slightly, giving it more presence, yet it doesn't feel aggressive, more refined. The bumper is sculpted subtly, functional for van duties but styled in a way that doesn't feel purely utilitarian. From up front, the bodywork looks clean, purposeful, and robust. Shifting to its side profile, the Kombi reveals its practicality, generous proportions, sliding side doors, and a strong character line that runs along the length of the body, tying the front and rear visually. The wheel arches are modestly flared, lending a little ruggedness. Depending on the trim, you'll see different wheel designs. For example, the Edition trim brings blacked-out accents and a sporty touch on the rims. The roofline is fairly flat, maximizing interior space, and from the side, the van feels roomy, with a long wheelbase option offering even more cargo or passenger space. From the back, the Kombi is clean and functional. The tail lights use LEDs and wrap around in a way that feels cohesive yet modern, nodding to previous generations. The rear door can be configured in different ways. It follows the Transporter lineage, and the load compartment is generous, particularly in the long wheelbase version, which offers impressive length for cargo or passengers. The rear design feels balanced, not overly flashy, but clearly designed with both utility and style in mind. Step inside, and the interior of the Kombi surprises you by how far it's come. Once you sit in the driver's seat, you're greeted by a digital cockpit, a 12-inch digital instrument panel that feels very modern and responsive. Right next to it is a 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system, fully integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which gives you smartphone connectivity in a very seamless way. They've redesigned a lot of the ergonomics. The electronic parking brake is tucked into the dashboard to free up footwell space, and the traditional gear lever is replaced by a column stock in automatic models, which cleans up the center console nicely. Storage is well thought out. There are multiple storage bins, a slot in the upper dash where you can place a laptop or tablet, and cup holders, of course. The seats themselves are flexible, 2 individual front seats, and behind them a bench for 3 passengers that can be folded, tumbled forward, or even removed completely, depending on whether you want to carry people or cargo. You feel the van heritage, but it's not rough or Spartan. Materials are reasonably premium for a commercial-style vehicle, and for some special edition models you even get leather-trimmed steering wheel, chrome door handles, and illuminated trims. Under the hood, or in this case, under the van, there are a few powertrain options. For traditionalists or for regions where internal combustion still dominates, VW offers a 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine in 3 power levels: 81 kilowatts, 110 kilowatts, and 125 kilowatts. The highest output diesel is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and there's even an option for 4MOTION all-wheel drive on some variants. This gives the Kombi strong towing capability and makes it a very capable workhorse. According to VW, its towing capacity has improved over previous generations. But VW isn't just relying on diesel. There's also an electric version, known as the e-Transporter Kombi. According to EV Database, it comes with a 64 kWh battery, which yields a WLTP-rated range between approximately 190 km and 270 km. Charging capability allows for AC at 11 kilowatts, and DC fast charging up to 125 kilowatts, which is quite usable for a van. Payload remains practical, over 1,000 kilograms in some configurations, making it useful for commercial or family cargo use. On the road, the diesel Kombi feels mature and confident. The 2.0-liter TDI has enough torque to haul passengers or cargo, and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly, especially under load. In 4MOTION guise, it's more composed in tricky driving conditions. The electric version, while not a long-distance cruiser, is ideally suited for urban or suburban transport, where its range and charging profile align well with daily duty cycles. Turning to pricing, things vary depending on market and specification. In South Africa, for example, the Kombi 2.0 TDI with the 125 kilowatts engine in the Commerce automatic short wheelbase, 8-seater version, is priced at around R1,055,200. The top-tier, edition, trim goes even higher, in the same region, depending on options. The diesel Kombi comes with a 3-year or 120,000 kilometers manufacturer warranty, and there's a 5-year maintenance plan under Volkswagen's EasyDrive program. For the electric e-Kombi, while regional pricing may differ, the battery-powered model adds initial cost but could offer lower running costs, especially in city usage. As for who this Kombi is for and what could be improved, it's an incredibly versatile package. For families looking for a roomy van with heritage styling, or small businesses wanting a people carrier that feels more premium than a traditional cargo van, the Kombi is a smart choice. The diesel versions deliver hauling power and long range, while the electric variant offers a zero-emissions alternative for urban fleets or eco-conscious buyers. That said, for long highway road trips, the electric range might be a limiting factor. Also, while the interior is redesigned well, some may feel it's still more van than luxury MPV. A few more soft-touch materials or more design flair might elevate it. Overall, the 2025 VW Kombi feels like a thoughtful reinvention rather than a gimmick. It retains the utilitarian charm of its ancestors but brings in modern technology, safety, and flexibility. It's not just a nostalgia play, it's a real contender in the van market, whether you need a capable workhorse or a spacious family transporter. Thank you for taking this full ride with me through the 2025 Volkswagen Kombi. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any specific questions or want me to compare it with competitors, drop a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and drive safe.